Ayan, backward po, backward. Backward po tayo. Usog po. Hawak kamay po, hawak kamay. Lahat ng boys. Okay. Alam niyo po ba ang ating The Boat is Sinking game? May nakakaalam po? Okay, explain ni ate. Pag sinabi ni ate, the boat is sinking, group yourself into one, ang kailangan niyo lang po gawin ay yakapin ang inyong mga sarili. Okay, hug yourself. Hug yourself. Ayan. Pag sinabi ni ate, group yourself into one. One. Tama. Okay. Pag sinabi ni ate, group yourself into two. Two. Go. Two. Ayan. Hanap po kayo ng kapartner nyo. Two. Okay. Mabilisan po ito, kids. Ayan. Sige. Backward pa. Backward. Yan. Hawak kamay po. Backward pa. Backward. Move backward pa po. Ayan. Okay. For the first, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Ayan, tama. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into two. Go! Two. Two. Ayan, very good. Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into four. Go! Four. 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 Ayan, nalilito na. Hindi na niya alam yung bilang. Ayan, sige, okay na baby boy. Upo muna, okay? Form a big circle ulit. Yan, again. Form a big circle. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into five. Go! Five. Five. Yan, nagagalit na. Bilangin mo. Ayan, nagagalit na siya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, yung 5 dito muna. Ayan. Si baby boy, upo muna tayo. Mamaya may prizes pa po. Ayan, nagagalit siya sa akin. Ito mo natingin niya. Okay.